Hey, Bill McRae here. I want to talk to you about when YouTube is actually a better traffic source than an email. Email gets a lot of traffic for you over a very short period of time. So you send it out this morning at 8 a.m. By noon, it's pretty well done. By 8 a.m. the next day, you're not going to get any more clicks. People either seen the email and responded to it, or they have deleted it, or they have it sorted to another folder. You might get a click here and there, but it's over with. Okay, so you have an opportunity there to generate some traffic immediately. Now with YouTube, your immediate traffic is going to come from your subscribers, so please subscribe. Okay, then search engine optimization, with the search engine being YouTube. YouTube is actually the #2 largest search engine in the world. It's owned by Google, interestingly enough. So here you go. This is the deal right now. If you optimize these videos, if you put keywords in the right positions, if you have the right tags, a good description, and you can even go revitalize old videos and get more traffic out of them, you'll generate traffic today, 30 days from now, 60 days from now, 6 months from now, a year from now. I have some videos that are over 3 years old. I have 300 videos up there. 3-year-old videos still generating traffic. So it's not like you send out an email and it's over with. So, okay, here's the thing about YouTube. They don't charge me. I try to entertain and engage their clients and teach them something. So they stay to the very end to get the free training I'm going to give you. But with an email autoresponder, you got to pay them everything every month. And yeah, I think you should sell solo ads from my solo ads service. But you absolutely ought to be doing videos because they accumulate. The more you get in your channel, the more focused they are on a topic. Over time, you're generating hundreds of clicks per day without lifting a finger, clicking send, or doing anything. And when that traffic gets to the buyer's page, to the product, they're already pre-warmed up. You've talked to them about why they're going to go click on that link. So at the bottom here in the messages, in the description, I have a link to my free training on how to sell solo ads, because you should be doing that. You'll make enough money to buy the 2 things you really, really need to make YouTube. I don't have a camera. I use my computer, my Mac, and I do have a software package called Camtasia. That's it. No fancy microphones, no big fancy cameras. You can do all that if you want. I just don't need it. You don't really need it. So my total investment was money I already spent. And I'm getting clicks from videos I did 3 years ago. And it's kind of like create your own little passive money-making machine because they snowball. If you know how to optimize the videos, if you know where to put the keywords, and if you know how to configure it all, look for a product coming out in the next few weeks called YouTube CB. It's mine. I teach you everything you need to know. Anyhow, y'all have a great day.